here's my shop. This shop's been here about 22 years. I like restoring old John Deere tractors. It's one of my hobbies besides fixing stuff. Okay, it's kind of want to show you my shop. This is where I film my videos, and this is where I fix stuff. I've been doing this for over 35 years, but this building here, I've been doing this for a little over 22 in here. But over here, we got our electric starters and recoils and gas tanks and everything for small engines. Then we got our clutches and electrical stuff there. And we have all our tires. Then we got wheels, and here's our bolt department over here. Then we got my blade rack over here. These are all the blades I use for fixing lawnmowers. And over here we got all our coils and solenoids and everything. And here's where the motors and stuff are. And here's all our specialty fasteners and everything. And over here, we got our hoist. I usually work on foils and stuff, and we got a line of stuff that needs to be fixed there. And here's our iron department where I fabricate stuff and oils and stuff. And here's the battery section, the muffler section, and the tools. And I got pretty much every popular belt there is for lawnmowers and stuff. And there's our lift table here. That's your back saver. It lowers the ground. I put my heavy stuff on there. There's some more tools and pullers and stuff. And we come over here, grab some tools. Here's one of my lathes. We got our drill presses. And here's my ultrasonic carb cleaner. That just works wonders. And more tools and all my tap and die sets and everything. And over here we got chainsaw sharpener and more tools. And down here's where I got all my bulk chainsaw chain. When I'm putting new chains on chainsaws. Here's my little office area. And here's my other lathe. And I come over here. Here's my blade sharpener for lawnmower blades. More tools, parts, and tire changer. And here we got all our recoil ropes and all our specialty fuel lines and everything. And we got our welder and cutter and a torch. And as we're going up steps, here we got all our gasket sets, internal lawnmower parts and everything. And we got all our carburetors and stuff. There's all our carburetor parts for everything. Here's all our diaphragm kits for carburetor chainsaws and stuff there. Here we got some chainsaw parts. And we got our snowblower section right here. And we got our cable section. And our lawnmower quill assemblies. And our pulley section. I do a lot of gear reduction on stuff. Here's all my pulleys and stuff. I tinker around with that. And there's our other parts room here. There's all our more carburetor overall kits. And some more chainsaw stuff there. Lawnmower stuff, and there's our old tractor coils and distributors and all that stuff over there. And we got more cables down here. And we got our four-wheeler section. And over here we got a bunch of overhaul kits, pistons and rods and all that stuff, and gasket kits and our 2-cycle John Deere head gaskets and everything over here. And if I ever have any time, I really don't, but there's my little drum set I like tinkering with there. But anyways, we come back down here. These are all air filters for pretty much any popular riding lawnmower and push lawnmower there is around here. Here's my backyard. There's some old tractors down there I gotta fix up. And we got more air filters here. And down here, that's where we got more tires and stuff, full of tires. It looks cluttered, but I know where everything is. It's home. That's the shop. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Smallenge, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.